Hello, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. The man accused of defrauding veteran reggae artist Marcia Griffiths out of millions of dollars in a failed land transaction has pleaded guilty to 2 counts of obtaining money by false pretense and has agreed to repay the singer. Now, Miss Griffiths and the accused, Roy Morgan, got connected after Miss Griffiths expressed the desire to build a museum that shared her legacy with the world as one of the veterans of reggae music and a pioneer in the genre. Now, according to Miss Griffiths' complaint, the accused disappeared after she wire transferred funds from her account to his. Morgan's application for bail was denied by the court, and he was remanded until his sentencing hearing.
I wanna tell you now that I cannot ignore your eyes, and there's a love that I could share in this moment of our lives. And even if the series change, it's always gonna feel the same.
Now, this Saturday night, RETV's Fame Frequency will be hosting their themed slumber party at Broadcast House on Lyndhurst Road. Hosted by Debbie Bissoon, tomorrow night is expected to be epic and very entertaining for the partygoers. Come out and have a great time with all the DJs and their awesome song selections. On to the international scene, Canadian rapper Drake has made history on Spotify. He is also the most streamed artist on Apple Music, Amazon, Pandora, among others. In August, it was announced that Drake has 160 billion streams across all platforms. It's Drake's world. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.